I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to update macOS on your iMac or MacBook. Step 1. Click to open the System Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down the menu on the left side of the window and then click General if it isn't selected already. Step 3. Click Software Update on the right side of the screen. If a software update is available, you'll see a prompt to install it and a high-level overview of what the update features. Step 4. Click Update Now. You'll see a license agreement on the next screen. Review the license agreement and then click Agree. Enter your password if prompted on the next screen and then click OK. A progress bar showing the status of the Mac system update is displayed at the top of the screen. You'll see it move through downloading the update and then preparing the update. After the update is complete, you'll see a prompt to restart your Mac device. Click Restart. After you restart your Mac, you'll see a note that the software update has successfully been completed. You can confirm your Mac is updated to the most recent version by navigating back to the software update part of the System Settings app. You should see your Mac is up to date. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.